YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Happy Monday. Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Illusive brand from London, or Illusive London. And this is the flagship taped track overhead hoodie, white marl. It has a 3/4 zip printed logo on chest, rib trims, front kangaroo pocket, machine wash. Original price is $58.60, and then we got it for $35.16. And then the other one is Illusive London. Is the Trident skinny jogger, beige color. It has a fleece back sweat, drawstring waistband, side slant pockets, printed logo on thigh, rib cuffs, skinny fit, cut close to the body, and then machine wash only. Original price was $46.87, and we got it for $14.06. So you gotta buy something that's over $50 in order to get the free shipping. Alright, so as you can see, it has a custom decoration because since it came from London. So I believe they put it less than $50, so there's no custom fee. Okay. Come with this poly mailer bag. And try it from the top here. Oh my god. Let me rip it. Hopefully my hand's not getting dirty from the package. I don't want it dirty to close. Ooh, invoice. So here you go. This is the Illusive London. That is the style number, the color, and then the size. And this one does not have a label on there or the barcode. So let's go ahead and get this one out first. Pretty nice material. So this is ribbed cuffs. And it is elastic. And this is the front. You got the slanted left and right pockets. Pretty deep about here. And you have this printed logo, Illusive London right there. Got a drawstring with the metal tip. And then this rings. And then this is the brand right here, size small. And this is the barcode right there. And on the back, you got the one rear pocket right there, right here. Let's see what kind of material is it. Made in Nepal, 73% cotton, and then 75% cotton and 25% polyester. So this one is a pretty nice jacket right here. Style number IL1321. Flagship taped tracksuit overhead. This one is a size large. Wow, nice. So you got a front pouch pocket right there, and this is ripped trims. And you got this Illusive London on the left and right arms or the sleeves. And this is like a half zip. You got the Illusive London. Size large. It's nice aqua or green colors right here. And then you got their label right here. This one is 100% polyester. Alright. Well, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. And be sure to turn on the bell for notifications so you won't miss out any new and latest unboxing or latest video. Anyway, thank you for watching, and please drop in the comments up below. And I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Alright? Like always, peace out, guys, and happy Monday.